Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the best Sunjoy Wood Gazebo on the market. The Sunjoy 11 by 11 foot cedar framed gazebo with a sleek black double steel hardtop roof. This is a premium outdoor structure designed to transform your backyard or garden into a perfect retreat for relaxation and entertainment all year round. Right from the start, what stands out about this gazebo is its solid construction and thoughtful design. The frame is made from premium cedar wood, which is not only naturally beautiful but also pre-cut and pre-drilled for easy assembly. This means you won't have to deal with complicated measurements or heavy carpentry work. The cedar frame brings a warm, natural wood finish that will enhance any outdoor setting. The roof is where this gazebo really shines. It features a durable, matte black powder-coated steel hardtop with a unique double-tier design. This two-tier roof is ventilated to encourage airflow, keeping the space underneath comfortable by allowing hot air to escape while protecting you from the sun's harsh UV rays. Plus, it's sturdy enough to keep out rain, snow, and other weather elements, so you can enjoy your outdoor space no matter the season. Stability is a key feature here. The gazebo is supported by 4 hefty wood posts measuring 5.5 by 5.5 inches, each anchored securely to the ground with stakes, ensuring that it can withstand strong winds and inclement weather. This robust build gives you peace of mind that your gazebo will stay put and remain safe throughout the year. The design also incorporates a practical dual rail system, which makes it easy to hang mosquito netting or privacy curtains if you want to create a more intimate or bug-free environment. While these accessories are sold separately, the rails are built right in, so you have that flexibility to customize your space exactly how you like it. Another nice touch is the built-in ceiling hook at the center of the gazebo, allowing you to suspend lighting or even a decorative chandelier. This feature helps you set the perfect mood for your evening gatherings, making your outdoor area cozy and inviting. Measuring 11 feet by 11 feet with a height of just over 10 feet, this gazebo comfortably fits 6 to 8 people, making it ideal for family dinners, socializing with friends, or simply enjoying quiet moments outside. The assembly process is straightforward, supported by clear illustrated instructions and backed by Sunjoy's experienced customer service team, ready to help if you have any questions during setup. In summary, the Sunjoy 11 by 11 wood gazebo offers an elegant combination of durability, style, and practical features. Its cedar wood frame and weather-resistant steel roof ensure longevity, while the thoughtful design elements like the ventilated two-tier roof, dual rail system, and ceiling hook add versatility and comfort. If you want to enhance your outdoor living space with a gazebo that balances aesthetics and toughness, this is definitely a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.